guys, let's brush. Yeah. Good boy, give me 5. Yeah, wait, no, go and trust better. Mandatela. It's going. Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel, Lucy Baby Mommy Vlogger based in Italy. So guys, let's make Nigerian meat pie. 40 pieces of Nigerian meat pie. Stay tuned. You will like this video. You will like this video. So here I'm cutting my dough. Okay. Clack it. So let's bake.
Vedi questo?
No, non te mamma. Yeah.
Dai.
Good boy, give me 5.
Metti.
Yeah, wait, no, ancora impastato. Aspetta. Now you can play with your own kitchen.
Okay.
Put that aside. See. Wash your hand.
Vado qua. Qua per lavare. Mami, qua è per lavare. Guarda, pulito. Guarda.
But they're not seeing you. Non ti vedono. Vieni con un po'.
Hello. Ok. Ho pronto. Mami, io sono facendo sugo. Ragazzi, io sto facendo il sugo.
Yeah, give them to drink. Give them sugar to drink. Slice sugar, no, see.
Ok. Parete.
So they are speeching. Take it up. Così vedono il tuo cuscino. So guys. Okay. Others are in the school. So baby Alice is helping me out. I'm just coming back from work. So.
Mami, cosa fai con me?
No, put your hand there.
Dai.
No.
Perché?
Can't don't put your hand. Gioco qua basta. Okay. So mama, no worry. That one. So guys, let's brush. Clock it. So let's add in oven. My oven is already on. It's in 180. So that's it. Okay. Continue washing. So now, right now, I will make my children's food. I will cooking pasta here for them with tono. So continue washing. Guys, it's not easy. Eh? How about I leave? I'm cooking this pasta. It will. Got it. E mangiatela. The phone bag is ready. Oops. Can you see? So it's still baking.